into this on Amazon, and I thought it was a really interesting product. I've never heard of it. I have no idea that they even made something like this, but it's a product that helps you, according to the website, stay awake. Now, I am no expert, and my suggestion is always that if you're feeling tired, you should not be driving. End of story. If you're tired to the point where you are falling asleep, yeah, you should probably rest before driving. It's just too dangerous. Anyway, that being said, that's just my opinion. I'm not an expert, so everybody has to make their own decisions and their own choices. Anyway, so I found this interesting. I don't think I'd ever use it. I just want to see if it actually works well. So I'll just be non-scientific testing it. So let's open it up. It came like this, exactly like this. This is everything inside. Comes in the bag, and this is the information, the manual, how to wear it, what the buttons are, where they are, some other info. I have this at the end. And then let's show you the product up close. And it's a pretty simple idea. You wear this around your ear when you're driving. And if you're feeling drowsy and you're falling asleep, it's supposed to wake you up. It's the idea behind it. And this is the actual battery button. So let's pull this out. I just heard a beep. Oh, it has those tiny little batteries. I forgot the name of them. Biggest problem is putting these in the right direction, in the correct direction. So there are 3 of them. And I am not going to touch them because I always find it very difficult to put them back in. It looks like the plus is on top and the minus is on the bottom. But you only have 2 ways of putting them since they're all in the same shape. In the same direction, also facing the same direction. I wish they would have put a rechargeable, allowed you to recharge the actual product instead of having those batteries. But this is kind of rubbery, and this is plastic. And these are I guess there's only 2 buttons, stop and play. So let me see if I turn it on. Let me see how to turn this thing on. Well, this is definitely a do not buy. I can't believe I just got this. You saw it. It was brand new. I just took the batteries out. Let me just double check. So this is not a button at all. I thought it was. It does nothing. That's why there's no description in the manual. I should have read the manual first. This is just a piece of plastic sticking out, I guess, to level this so that you can know when this is on and off. So the way to turn this on, as you can see, it's off right now. When you press, it looks like a play button. When you press the button, now it's on. As you can see, it's a little bit lower than the back piece. Off, on. Only one problem. I just put it in my ear with it on. I couldn't hear it. So I turned off the TV and the air conditioning. And it's a small chirp. So I'm going to try to play it in the video so you could hear it. It came pretty much not working. All right, I've turned everything off. Let me see if you can hear it. So this is in the upright position, like if it's behind your ear. I'm turning it on. Can you barely hear that? It was up against my ear and I could barely hear it. I don't even know where the speaker is. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's not good. Okay, now it's working. You know how I got it to work? I had to squeeze this in the bottom. It wasn't all the way in. The bottom piece, you see that screw there? I think it's loose, so I might have to tighten it. It wasn't all the way. When I squeezed this part, that's when it started ringing. Not the batteries, because I pushed the batteries in. I opened up the compartment, made sure the batteries, there was no issues, and turned them, and it still wasn't working. It was when I squeezed the bottom part here. And there's nothing in the instructions about squeezing that part. So anyway, all right, so I guess now we could try it. I'm not happy that it did that, as it came out brand new in the packaging, but I'm going to try to give it a chance. So let's see. So now when you have it upright, oh, it's doing it again. Now watch what happens when I squeeze the bottom. Squeezing the bottom. Oh. My kitty cat doesn't like the sound. Do you not like it? She came right over when she heard that noise. All right, so let me try it out. I'm going to weigh it just to give you an idea as to the weight that you're putting around your ear. It's not that heavy at all. I just got to find a test subject to try it out who doesn't know about this and have them try it out, see how they feel about it. All right, let's do some tryout testing. So I was unable to get a test subject to try it out, but my wife put it on actually, and it does work now. I'm not having any issues once I put it on now, so it must have been a fluke in the beginning. It is working all the time. When it's vertical, perfect. When it's horizontal, it makes a loud tone. Now this tone is really, really loud. My cat goes nuts because of this tone. And my wife put it to her ear, and she said she did not like how noisy it is. That it probably scare you, right, when you're driving?
Yeah, but more than that, it actually hurts. But
It
then
actually
again, that would be a
hurts.
good thing if you're falling asleep. But
wouldn't you get? You might even get scared.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if you're putting this on your ear and you go into a deep sleep and you lean forward and it wakes you up.
If you're in a deep sleep, I guess that would be even worse.
I guess that's worse. That is true. But she does not like how much of a piercing, it's a very piercing noise, correct? Yeah, she says it's very piercing. She doesn't like it. But it's a great idea. It's getting there. Maybe you just need a spouse next to you to push you awake when you fall asleep. And say, hey, wake up. But as for this, it works. It does a good job. I don't think I'm going to use it, and probably going to go back because of the loudness, and there's no volume control at all. None at all. There's absolutely no volume control. So it's only on and off. And yeah, I don't want to get hearing issues if I'm using this. That's just my own opinion. Doesn't mean anything. I'm a regular guy, just tries things. But again, like I told you before, if you're feeling tired, you actually should just pull over and rest somewhere, you know. Do something. Get out of the car, walk around, something. But this is a good idea for maybe the stubborn people who just want to keep going. But it's not for us. It's too loud. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Alertme Lifesaver Alert Driver Alertness System Earpiece 092022. Cost $24.30. Purchased on Amazon. Main function, anti-fatigue alarm device. Alarm mode, sound alert with on and off button. Ergonomic design, compact and lightweight, 1 Oz. Alertme fits comfortably behind ear. Battery operated, replaceable button cell battery. Lifetime, 30,000 nods. Safe to use, FFC approved, CE certified and mercury free. Alertme Lifesaver Alert, stay awake and stay alive, avoid drowsiness while driving, mercury free and FCC approved. Important information. Legal disclaimer. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. From the brand Alertme. Alertme, Inc. specializes in vehicular and personal safety tools that have saved lives since 1998. Our goal is to provide automotive and personal safety tools for drivers and passengers to be prepared and have peace of mind in all situations. Help us with our mission by spreading awareness and joining our safety family. Alertme Jammed Seatbelt Cutter. Alertme Car Escape Tool. Jammed Seatbelt Cutter and Tempered Glass Window Breaker. Works underwater. Next page. From the manufacturer. Alertme Drowsy Driver Device. What is Alertme? About the size of a Bluetooth earpiece and lightweight, less than an ounce, the Alertme is the latest and safest lifesaver electronic device that helps prevent accidents caused by falling asleep behind the wheel. The Alertme device works by detecting when the user's head nods while driving or working, which indicates that you may be feeling drowsy. Its ergonomic design makes it very comfortable to wear and improves your vigilance on the road. Main features. Easy to use. Safe and efficient. Peace of mind. Compact and lightweight. Easy battery replacement. Materials, ABS plastic, mercury-free. Weight, 0.4 ounces 12 grams. Batteries, replaceable LR41, X3. How to use. Where to place. 1. Remove the plastic tag from the batteries for activation. 2. Move head to upright position. 3. Place behind ear. 4. Turn to on position. How to use. 5. Nod your head about 15 to 20 degrees until device sounds. Power your device. 6. Open the cover to change the button cell batteries, X3. Will it fit on any adult ear? Due to its flexible rubber tip, Alertme conveniently fits on any size adult ear. Can I adjust the sensitivity of the alarm? Yes. Once behind the ear, you can adjust the sensitivity of the alarm by placing it further down your ear. Keep in mind that setting up Alertme to a lower sensitivity will reduce its effectiveness to nodding due to drowsiness. How loud is alarm? The Alertme alarm is about 90 decibels, which is the equivalent to a police whistle. How long will the batteries last? Alertme uses 3 LR41, 1.5 V32 mR alkaline cells. Under normal storage, the Alertme can be used for about 30,000 nods. Check batteries at least every 6 months. Products description. Did you know you could be asleep for a few seconds and not realize it? Scientists call these microsleeps. When you're really tired and force yourself to stay awake, your brain will sneak in little naps. They usually last for 2 to 3 seconds but can last much longer. The frightening thing is that you don't realize that you are asleep. During a micro-sleep, you stop responding to events around you. Researchers of drowsy drivers observed that drivers could sleep for up to 8 seconds without realizing it. That's plenty of time to drift out of your lane and crash into a tree, a sign, or an oncoming car. Alertme is the latest lifesaver electronic device that helps prevent accident caused by falling asleep behind the wheel. Inspired by the traditional mercury nap alert system, Alertme is an improved version controlled by a motherboard chip instead of the mercury, operated by replaceable batteries, and strong beep alarm sounds as soon as Alertme detects that the user might be getting drowsy, by their head starting to nod while driving, at work or at study. Ultra-light and small, its ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to use at any time to avoid falling asleep. If drowsy, pull over, discontinue driving immediately and rest before getting back on the road. Yours and other drivers' safety is at stake.